And this is how you annoy a Charlie dog. Give me that bone. Give it. It's my bone. Give me that bone. Give me that bone. Give me that bone. It's my bone. Gotcha. Give me that bone. Give me that bone. My bone. My bone. Charlie, do you love your Aunt Lindsay?
She's my cuddle buddy.
Does you? Now you jumped into bed with her, didn't you?
Oh. Okay. Bye-bye.
Hi.
Look at my hair.
Your hair?
Yeah, it's crazy. Ow. Don't hit me.
It smells wonderful.
Golden Corral in.
Golden Corral?
Yeah, he's gonna.
What does he drive?
He's got a little silver car, kind of.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, the place where dreams go to die. Flealand in London, Kentucky! I'm looking for camo underwear. Oh, wait! It's like a camo smorgasbord. Everything's closed. Well, not everything. Almost everything. It smells like leather. I believe I'm gonna get Jilly this.
I like that.
What do you get, Mom?
Probably this. And then...
That's nice. We won't show the rest.
I want to get her a better chain.
Okay.
But look at that. Isn't that cute?
Oh, very nice.
The pearls.
So we are currently on our way to go see the Logans, to see Ashley, her little boy Graham, and Becca, and their parents. And I probably won't record much over there, but hopefully I'll get a little shot or two of Graham because he's adorable! Right?
Yes.
Does this make you uncomfortable?
I don't care anymore.
Are you sure?
I'm used to you.
He's used to me. Are you used to this?
No, because you're probably showing my crazy.
Hello, kitty.
Oh, it's coming down.
Cliffhanger.
Yeah. Will cat like that.
Hello. Can you say lots of decorations and a big old Santa right in the middle of the yard? Overkill.
Hi, Charlie.
Hi there.
What are you doing?
I am fixing Luke's machine.
Yes, table machine actually.
Yes.
That's just weird.
You're weird.
It looks like...
I'm using a rubber bone.
Who will? Hi, Charlie!
Charlie's the best. Good boy, Charlie. Oh, hug. Phenomena. 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 Let me.
Okay, you got it in my head.
You're welcome. That was on you. Charlie decided to be our cuddle bug. He got right on top of me. It's so cute. I'm a jerk. Tickles my nose. Yay, Lindsay brought me alcoholic beverages. Charlie. It's alcoholic beverages for me, not for you. You're not old enough to drink. Hey, hey Charlie, I want to see how smoothly I can move out from under you without disturbing your rest. Does that sound okay? Oh snap! Oh my gosh! Oh, this can hurt.
If you throw it, he'll go after it.
Angry birds. Get it! Get it, Charlie! Oh, thank you. Get it, Charlie! Get it! Get it!
Why is that over there?
Angry birds.
Get that puppy. Come on, Charlie. Charlie. Oh, God.
He is strong. He's pulling.
Get it, Charlie! Get it! Get it!
Where you're going.
Yeah, we do. Just the voice. They do some
but we also have Santa babies.
What? We also have some to make. I'd rather make a Toll House with the little swirly chips in them.
Stir her hair up a little bit.
I'm so excited. Can you believe what's cold in this? Look at your new outfit.
There's my sweater.
Say, look, Nana.
We write on the boxers. Yeah.
It makes you longer breathe. It helps me. What, baby? Well, I held on.
Okay, this is going on camera.
Yeah, I know.
Can we not around kids?
Oh, look at new undies.
Oh, okay, that's perfect.
Okay.
New underwear. And new Johnny.
Hey, Lindsay won't let me open that till last.
Okay, well, listen to her.
All right. Let's get going. What do you want? Do you want a knuckle one or do you want this one?
Oh, my gosh, Dad.
I think he wants that one.
But,
No, not like that.
Look.
But Papa has to teach you how to use that.
Papa will have to teach you how to use it, okay?
Wow.
Good boy. Get it.
Gosh, Aunt Sue got you an awesome shirt.
Bye, Charlie.
Did you see that?
you.
For me?
Yeah.
How do you know?
Yeah,
They put their name on it.
Oh, really? Are you sure?
But I'm sure it's next deal. And we oh my gosh.
What's that?
Great. Where's that from?
From the jewel. Everyone over here.
What is it?
Oh my goodness.
What is it? That's not a receipt.
Okay, not a secret.
Oh my
Spicy.
goodness. Oh, that's from Aunt Lindsay and Adam.
Go Web.
That's from Aunt Lindsay and Adam.
Hey, you got the good one. Thank you.
Yes, I did.
Awesome. Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, I'm going for this one. Thank you.
Looking good, baby.
Yeah, I think
I like the way you're looking in that jersey. Oh, yeah. Webb has never been quite so attractive.
Come here, I want to talk to you about it.
Oh, yeah. Totally did not spam on your butt.
I told her, I said, I
Best
wish
wife
you could have
ever.
the real thing all the way around.
Well, we know that.
But listen, though, I
I love you. Mom got her gift from us.
That's cute. Oh, awesome.
It shows you how to do the little weird.
Yes. You bet
Yes.
hugs for all that. Let me do it again.
It's like carving. It shows you how to do carving and stuff like that.
Don't be mad. No, I was
The cake decorating Bible.
Mom's gonna love you.
Keep going,
She is
kid.
about to oh, she's gonna put them on. Oh, that's awesome. That one is that one's Dad's.
What is it, Lindsay?
It's a cupcake book.
Oh.
I love that.
Oh,
That's all.
Ah!
The dance scissors.
goodness. Wow. I'm so surprised.
What is it?
Wow, you couldn't be any less sincere right now.
Right.
Now Joe finally does have a surprise.
There's
She
more
doesn't know what
to
it
it.
is. What?
Is there more to it?
No, this is the surprise.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Are you lying?
No.
Okay.
Okay.
She always grills me. I don't know why. It's like she doesn't trust me.
Well, I'm not sure she's going to win. She's dancing around in them. That's killer. Okay. Well, you
Oh, those are so pretty. Oh my goodness, I did. I love it.
Snowflakey.
Thank you.
Marshall and Lucy.
That's good for a whole year.
Look how squishy.
Picture of Marshall and the doggy.
Thank you guys.
Thank you, Katie. I love it.
That's exactly what my ice cream was.
No face like.
Yay!
Thank you all very much. I love it. It's one of my office. Meanwhile, in post-apocalyptic Christmas, millions have died.
Oh, I know.
Millions. Mostly over here, where most of the bodies have flown after the impact of the nuclear bomb. Charlie pooped on them.
Charlie what? Pooped on them.
The nuclear Holocaust survivors. Over in this area.
Oh. Charlie got almost as much as...
We're getting all these reloading. Why are you attacking me? Why are you attacking me? Oh gosh. Okay, it's gone. It's on.
Someone's on the naughty list. Ho, ho, ho.
Oh no.
Oh shoot. Look, it's Santa Claus.
All right.
Oh, look at Daddy. Look at Dad.
Mookie, say ho, ho, ho.
Susie, can you help your brother get you one of these? Be like Elf. See him laying down or not. Is that too much?
Help me!
Hold on, dude.
Help!
Turn around here.
I didn't put it in the bag.